Hey guys, Mr. Bone here again today. And this week we're going to look at some expectations and talk about some reminders for you. So we are on week April 20th to 24th. This is our week in preview. So, first thing, office hours, don't forget, are Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 to 11. And we do live video from 10:30 to 11. If anybody wants to jump on, I put that code out on the classroom so you can get in. And sixth grade. This is what you should have been looking at so far. So in week one, you should have looked at physical features of the United States. Week two, physical features of Canada. So that was up through last week. And this week, you should be looking at three climates or week three is climates and ecosystems of the United States and Canada. So if you're wondering where you should be, besides the fact that Edgenuity gives you the percentage of where you should be, and I think by now it's 23 point something percent it's saying today. And as long as you're within a few percentages of that, you're good. If not, you'd start turning yellow or red in your progress report. So just stay somewhere close. If you're not quite done with physical features of Canada, it's not like you're sunk or failing or whatever. Even if you're not done with United States features, you can catch up. These really are meant to be something like 20 minutes a day. So, maybe you put 40 minutes in for a couple of days and you get caught up. It shouldn't take you that long. Seventh grade, you started off with boundaries and territories. Week two was international interdependence. That was last week. And this week, you should be looking at global challenges. So that should give you an idea where you might want to be. Don't forget, I'm counting the tests. Now, so far, you've had both sixth and seventh grade. You've had a topic, you've had some instruction, then you've had a quiz. Topic, instruction, some quiz. This week, you have topic, instruction, some quiz. Then coming up, you'll have an actual test. So I'm counting the test as one of the weeks as well. So again, if you're trying to catch up, the week that we're having the test would be a great time to catch up. So time it out that way if you can. Again, not looking for huge amounts of time committed here from anyone. You guys have other things that you're doing and enjoying. Hopefully, maybe some good weather today. We're getting laundry on the line today finally for this week. So get those things done. And if you have questions, email, especially during office hours. I'm ready to answer as soon as I can. I'm probably going back into the school tomorrow for most of the day. I have some reports I have to fill out, and it's a lot easier on the main computer there. I don't have a big desktop here at home. I just have the Chromebook. So I'll be in there doing things. If there are things you wondered about, needed, let me know. Maybe I'll go in and take some pictures of what's going on in school and send those out too. So see you guys later.